Check this. The profit function is given to us P of x instead of f of x we have now. Find number of items that the company should sell to get maximum profit. They have mentioned the maximum profit and find the maximum profit. One extra point is there. So they have given P of x, that is, suppose this is f of x. 150 minus x into x square or into x. 150 into x. X into x is note of game. Once we have f of x, what we used to do? Differentiating both sides. Still some voices. This is p dash of x. Like f dash of x, same thing we have to do. 2 into x power 2 minus 1 minus e. 150 minus 2x. This is f dash of x. Once we got f dash of x, what we'll do? Yes, put whatever we got equals to 0. X term on left side, remaining on right side. X is equals to 75. Once we got the value of this, again we will write. Then differentiating both sides once again. d by dx of f dash of x or p dash of x, d by dx of 150, 2 into d by dx of x. This is p double dash of x, 0 minus 2 into 1. Directly what we got? Negative answer. We can write p double dash of x is less than 0. Maximum value at x equals to, how much we got x value? 75. And what is that maximum value? P of that value we have to substitute in question. Whatever answer we get, we will substitute here.
150 minus 75. 75.
Multiply 275. Maximum profit of 3925 they can earn if they'll get the maximum price of 75. This one you can copy by seeing video. You can watch the video to get this one. Maximum area of rectangle can be found with fixed perimeter 20. They have given a rectangle length I will consider to be x, breadth I will consider to be y. Let length of rectangle equals to x, breadth of rectangle equals to y. They have given perimeter. Perimeter equals to 20. Perimeter means adding all the sides, or 2 into L plus B is equals to
20.
20. Suppose this is x, this is y, again this is x and y. If I add all of them, perimeter is x, y, x and y. 2x plus 2y. 2 into x plus y. Sum of all the sides is perimeter, or perimeter formula you should know. X plus y equals to 20 by 2. X plus y equals to 10. Whenever you get summation, what we'll do? 10 minus x. Whatever goes that side becomes minus. What we have to find? Maximize then area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth, which is x into y. X into what is y? 10 minus x. So this is
10x minus x square.
f of x we got it. Small difference, no use. Now what we have to do? Differentiating both sides. D by dx of f of x equals to 10 into d by dx of x minus d by dx of x square. F dash of x is 10 into 1 minus 2x. 10 minus 2x is f dash of x. Put 10 minus 2x equals to 0. Minus 2x is minus 10. X is 5. Once we got x value, again f dash of x we have to take. D by dx of f dash of x equal to, this is f double dash of x minus 2. F double dash of direct answer again less than 0. F has maximum value at x equals to 5. Find maximum area also. Therefore, maximum area is f of 5. What is f of 5? F of x we have to take. 10 into 5 minus 5 square. 50 minus 25. How much? 25. What's the time?
20.
You need to remember what is profit.
Selling price minus cost.
What is selling price? Cost into cost price.
Cost into cost.
Price into cost price. and cost price is the function given to us. See, check this. A manufacturer can sell how many items? X items at price of 5 minus x by 100. Okay. Suppose if I have to purchase 10 pens at the cost of 5. So what I do here? Into. Why we are multiplying? I need number of pens 10 at the price of x. So what we will do? Price and the number of quantities multiplied in order to get the selling price of that particular item. So we have first thing, whatever they have given, first we will write selling price equals to this price is given. How many items are there? X is there, so x we have to multiply. So we will get selling price by multiplying both of them. You need to remember this selling price first one. Then the cost of price of x items is already cost is given here. Cost price. No need to multiply x to this one. There they are selling x item at the price of 5 minus x per each item. But here cost price of x already this total items cost is given to you. So what we have to do, just multiply x in selling price whatever given to us. Cost price you can take as it is. Then you have to take profit function. Selling price minus cost price. So this is minus x square by 100 minus cost price.
X by 5 plus 500.
Now we got f of x equals to 5x minus x square by 100 minus x by 5 and minus 500. Why both are minus sign?
Minus into plus minus.
This is the bracket in a cost function. This minus is multiplied to both of them. 1 by 100 outside, d by dx of x square, 1 by 5 outside, d by dx of x, then d by dx of 500. This is f dash of x, 5 into 1, minus 1 by 100 into 2x, 1 by 5 into 1, minus 0. So f dash of x equals to 5 minus x by 50 minus 1 by 5. We can simplify and write this one, or you can write as it is. F dash of x we have. Then what we do? Put f dash of x answer equal to 0. Send the terms which does not have x to right side. Plus 1 by 5. 5 goes that side becomes minus 5. So we'll simplify this. 1 minus 25. Minus x by 10 equals to minus 24. If we have cancelled minus sign, x equals to 240 by cross multiplication. Once we got this x value, what we'll do? Yes, we'll have f dash of x now.
5 minus x by 50 minus
Differentiating both sides.
d by dx of x d by dx
1 by 50 outside, d by dx of x minus d by dx of 1 by 5. F double dash of x equals to 0 minus 1 by 50 into 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 50. F double dash of x is less than 0. F has maximum value at x equals to 240. What they have asked us to find? Find the number of items that the manufacturer should for maximum profit. So how many items are there? X is equals to 240. Okay.